Good day, everyone. Today, our group will be doing the continuation of our engine watchkeeping. This includes stating the alarms, stating an ongoing repair regarding the alarms, and the asking questions related to the alarms. Engineer sa Ulog, may I ask the operational status of the plant?
Yes, sir. Unfortunately, the operational status of the plant is not normal condition. Here are the records we gathered as of the moment. Engineer Argel, please relay it to Engineer Murao.
Here are the alarms occurred. Steering gear oil sump level 1 and 2 in low state. Steering gear oil Steering gear expansion tank 1 and 2 level in low state. Refrige probe store air temperature in high state. Refrige meat or fish store air temperature in high state. TGL o tank level in low state. LTFW temperature outlet. LTFW pumps in low state. LTFW pump discharge pressure in low state. HTFW press inlet main engine in low state and auto chip fail in high state. That's all, sir. Other concerns are fine.
All right, all are clear and understood. Engineer Perez, here are the current records and operational status of the plant.
Copy Engineer Morao. Engineer Tambong. Engineer Arhel reported an alarm regarding the tank levels of sump tank 1 and 2 and expansion tanks 1 and 2. Please rely on your orders to make some actions.
Copy, sir. Engineer Bangasan, do you copy?
Yes, sir, loud and clear.
Okay, proceed to steering gear system and fill the sump and expansion tanks up to its normal level.
Revealing the expansion tank 1 and 2, sir.
Status of the tanks?
Everything is alright, sir.
Okay, good. How about the expansion tanks?
Revealing the sump tank 1 and 2, sir.
Status of the tanks?
Everything is alright, sir.
Okay, good.
Engineer Tambong. What are the status of our expansion and sump tanks in the steering gear system prior to the alarms?
All tank, sir, is already in normal level. Refilling of the tanks done smoothly.
Okay, copy.